video we'll talk about the Level 8 FreeLoop Carry-On luggage 20-inch in sage green. It's a zipperless aluminum frame design like the Agent that I reviewed right here, but it's maybe a little bit more feminine looking than the Agent. We will first have a quick tour of this luggage, then we'll talk about the pros and cons, after this a pack with me, then the specs, and finally should you buy this luggage. Let's go! Quick tour of this luggage. As you can see, the sage green is awesome. You have here a lock like this, one lock with the TSA approved. You have a handle which is super nice and super easy to use, and it's soft closing. Then on top you have a more standard handle. Here you have the telescopic handle, which is a small one, not the beefy one like the other ones. You have some protection right here, some protection peg on the bottom, and the 360 wheels are awesome. It rolls very nicely. It's a breeze to go through airports. Then what can I say more? The color is awesome. As you can see, it reflects a lot the light. It's either you like it or not. Then you have the Level 8 logo here, and then I think we will go to the couch to see a little bit more the rest of it and the interior. Let's go! So here we are on the couch. Like I said, the opening is here. You have a TSA lock right here. If I pop this, it will open like this, and then you have access to the full interior, which is beige like this. In the interior you have a thing like on the Agent like this. To strap, you have a removable thing like this. Maybe you can put your laptop inside. It's a plastic frame. Then you have this. On the bottom you have the telescopic handle. You have the frame, which is aluminum here, very high quality. Then you have a zipper here, and you have the tag that they offer you, and this little pocket, which is pretty basic, but it works. Then you can remove this on top like this, and you have access to the back of the compartment right here. This is it for the inside. Then a quick tour like this. You can really see the aluminum frame. You can see it here. And yeah, I think that's about it for the quick tour. Let's go to the pros and cons of this pack. So for the pros and cons, we'll begin with the cons, 3 cons first and then 3 pros. So the first con to me, it's not the lightest luggage, but it's okay at 4 kilograms. Then the second con for me is a risk when you need to open it. So it's very easy, it opens like this. I really like when it pops like this. But if you have a problem with one of these locks or with this system, then you're doomed because you cannot close it anymore. Whereas with a zipper, you can maybe do something and try to close it, maybe do something more artisanal to try to close it. Here it's more difficult to do it, but if it works, it's perfect. Then for the interior, another con I think is the beige interior is quite nice, I really like it, but like maybe in a car, it will get dirty more easily than a standard full black interior. Then talking about the pros, the first pro for me is this, that was a con, it's also a pro. This one tap, I just do this, boom, it opens, it's super nice. You don't have to fiddle around with the zipper and it takes so long and it takes forever and it's super annoying. Here it's just this, boom, it's open. Then the second pro for me is this handle. It's just awesome. As you can see, it's very rounded. It's a breeze to use. I really like it. And it's soft closing also, which is super nice and super premium. And the final pro for me is the design. It looks a little bit maybe like the 50s or the 60s design, maybe like a fridge from this era, if you know what I mean. I really like this. And the color is awesome also. I really like green, and this green is refreshing, which is super nice. Then let's go to a pack with me. So let's go for a pack with me. It's quite heavy now. I put a lot of things inside. Let's open it. So as you can see here on the bottom, I have some packing cubes. I have a packing cube M from Peak Design. Then I have 2 packing cubes from Alpaka right here. On the top here, I have some more stuff. I have 2 little pouches, one for my treasury kit, and I have a full backpack Evergoods PLC 20 here, right here. So that's quite a lot that you can fit inside here. So that was an example of a load inside this luggage. Now talking a little bit about the specs. So first of all, on this dimension, I think they say something like 56, and yeah, maybe a little less. I think it's more 55. So it's fine for carry-on. Then in this dimension, we see about 35, which is also perfect. Then on this dimension, 23, 24 max. So it's also perfect for carry-on, no lie here. And then, talking about the weight, I see 4.25 kilograms, which is about 9.4 pounds. I think it's a little bit more than what they advertise. but that's okay. Then for the materials, so this is polycarbonate, but it's quite good, and as you can see, it's very reflective, so either you like it or not. I'm not so much into it. I think I prefer matte, like on the Agent, but it depends on what you like. The aluminum frame that we talked about already, the wheels that are awesome, and yeah, that's about it. Now, should you buy this luggage? Well, it depends. If you like, first of all, the look, then you can go for it. If you like the fact that you have no zipper, but this quick opening, it's awesome, then go for it. If you like the interior beige, go for it. You can also check the other colors on the website, and if it's a little bit too expensive for you, you can use the 10% discount link in the video description down below. Otherwise, you can look at the Agent, which is also a very nice luggage from Level 8 without a zipper, or you can look at the other offerings. And if you want something a little bit more different than Level 8, go for the luggage from brands like Air, Bellroy, or Peak Design. They are more expensive, but maybe a little better in quality wise, but yeah, you have to pay a little bit more. If you watched until here, it's because you like the content, so don't forget to like and subscribe to this video, and see you in the next one. Bye bye, ciao ciao!